Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your plan supports tethering and that you won't hit carrier restrictions. Once done, make sure your phone is charged above half and cellular data is on. Open the personal hotspot or hotspot settings now, toggle it on. Set a strong WPA2/WPA3 password and a recognizable network name so you can find it quickly. You do this now because security and power state determine reliability. Avoiding early mistakes prevents interruptions when other devices join. Next, pick the tethering method: Wi-Fi for convenience, USB for stability and speed, or Bluetooth for low power. Once chosen, restrict the maximum number of clients and set an idle timeout so the hotspot closes when unused. Make sure encryption is WPA2 or WPA3 to block eavesdroppers. Connect a single client to verify network access, check the assigned IP and DNS, and run a quick speed test. Doing these middle steps prevents congestion and exposes configuration issues. To finish, monitor data consumption and set a client limit so you don't blow through your allowance. When everything looks good, lock the hotspot screen and avoid heavy downloads on the host device. If a client fails to connect, first restart the hotspot and the client, then toggle airplane mode on the host and try again. If signal strength is poor, move the host to a higher location or switch to USB tethering for stability. One quick troubleshooting tip: changing the Wi-Fi channel often resolves interference immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.